Canada now for over a year. You've already completed one, program. What is the general sense of the job market in Canada? Is it something that people from India should consider as booming, jobs available in plenty, or is it other way around?
Yeah, there are plenty of jobs available in Canada, but the
Uh,
problem is the skills. We
right,
have the education, we have the knowledge. In India, we
right,
just acquire knowledge. We only focus on marks and on getting grades, but we don't work on upon our skills. So that
yes,
is pretty. We are left behind. Here in Canada, there are plenty of jobs available. We just need to upgrade our skills. We have to be effective communicator. We have to enhance our listening and speaking skills. We have to
hmm,
showcase our team skills. That
hmm.
area we are lagging behind. Otherwise, there are plenty of jobs. We can get a job in a day also.
Okay, okay. So how does one go about this process of finding a job once you're at a university or a college
Mhm.
and you're studying a diploma course? How does it work? How does one seek out jobs? I know it's not the same as it is in India, where placements
Right.
happen in college. But help us understand this better, Yatin.
Yeah. For a student, after landing up to Canada, there are various options. Either you can connect with LinkedIn or Indeed. That is the best platform to find jobs. Even your college will also help us to get your opportunities to for part-time jobs. But in my case, Indeed is the best option. I applied for various jobs through Indeed, and even I got response in 2 or 3 days. They are very actively recruiting. They're
Okay,
replying. They are having the interviews, and you can also get training to get a job.
okay. Is the process similar for internships as well?
Yes, the process is similar. Basically, here in Canada, they have the artificial intelligence. You have to fine tune your resumes based on the jobs and responsibilities you are looking for. If your
Hmm,
resume have those keywords, what they
hmm,
are looking for, what they have
right,
mentioned in their job description, if your
right.
resume match 60 to 70% or even higher, only then they will shortlist, because they are having thousands of applications even for a single posting. So you have to fine tune your resume in a such a way that you will be that person who will get shortlisted for interview and for further process.
Right. The use of technology in recruitment. I mean, this is new age, and I'm sure that also means that maybe HR and analytics are booming fields in Canada.
Right.
But my attention and my question to you is more about the core sectors, because my understanding is that after studying project management or supply chain, you're going to enter some of these core industries such as electrical or power or construction,
Right.
or even oil and gas, right? So in these sectors specifically, are they doing well in Canada? Are there jobs? Are there entry level roles in these sectors?
Yeah, they are doing very well in Canada, because
Mhm.
electrical is a booming industry. In every house you can see the appliances. We are using technology, and even the oil and gas is very popular in Canada. They do have entry level jobs, but at least they require 1 or 2 year of experience that you can get from working as internship also, working part
Mhm.
time also. Even they prefer to have a entry level candidate with some certification. They have so many certification exams like
All right.
PMP, project management professional, CAPM,
Right.
certified associate in project management. So even you are fresh graduate, if you acquire some this certification, that will also be an asset for company to hire you, even though you don't have an experience. So even I'm working on that also. I'm preparing for certification because I don't have experience, but that can be an advantage for me. That can be an asset for me to get hired.